Welcome to my channel. I'm Nicolas. Today we will prepare a traditional holiday dessert called kourabiedes. Kourabiedes, in many variations, are enjoyed in Tunisia, Turkey, Bulgaria and many more countries. The Greek version is a shortbread made with almonds and coated with icing sugar. Let's begin by preparing the almonds. Spread your almonds on a pan over medium heat. Stir the almonds for approximately 20 minutes until they are brown. You will find all the quantities in my blog. I will let a link in the description. This is the color your almonds should have. Now transfer them to a cool dish and wait for approximately 2 hours until they are cold. After your almonds are cold, crush them in small crumbs and place them in a bowl. Next, we will create the dough. In this bowl, add the margarine, the butter, the semolina flour, the icing sugar, the egg, the brandy, the vanilla capsules. Mix the ingredients well. Make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated, and after that add in the mixture almost all the flour. And the baking powder. And mix again well. Now the dough is ready. Take teaspoons of the dough, roll them in your hand and place them on a tray with small distance between. Bake the kourabiedes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour to 40 minutes until they are golden brown, so that they obtain their characteristic aroma. After that, repeat with the rest of the dough. Now the kurabiedες are out of the oven. I will proceed with the icing process. Take about half of your sugar and put it in a tray. Add some kurabiedες. And try to coat them with your hands. After that, take each kurabiedες on your hand and roll them with some icing sugar. With the colander, sprinkle some more icing sugar on top. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! If you want, you can give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, see you!